Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And if you'd like to see how I got my hair to look like this, then keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So first I like to start off by taking my hair out of this turban thing that I use to dry my hair. The cloth is really good for drying curly hair. It kind of helps ease the frizz. Then I like to split my hair into part my hair into two sections, top and bottom. That way I'm able to work the product into my hair firmly. And I'm starting off by using a Mix Chicks curl defining conditioner. I love this product so much. Just a little bit goes such a long way. As you guys can see, I just use probably a quarter size amount on each section. And I'm just working that through my hair. Then I like to use the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner spray. This is such a essential when you have curly hair. This is a really nourishing conditioner, and I only like to use this in my top of my hair to reduce frizz at the top, and then in my ends because it's really nourishing. And then I just repeat the same thing for the top section. And again, you just want to really make sure you're getting the product really in your hair to make sure it's nourishing every single part. You don't want to leave any parts out to really get the full effect of all of these products. Anyone else have the problem where when you have a bunch of product on your hands and it's just so slippery, so when you're trying to spray something you have to use your body to help spray it? Yep, so that's what I was doing with the keratin spray. And you can already tell the difference of which side looks so much more nourished and conditioned and moisturized than the other side. The other side is still pretty frizzy, so I was just showing you guys the comparison. And then I just repeat on this side. I'm starting off with the lower section of my hair, going in with the Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner. And the It's a 10 leave-in spray conditioner, keratin. Okay, now you guys can see that both sides look pretty well moisturized. And this is where I switch it up. I will go in with this Dove Amplified Curls. And just one pump for the whole section and run it through my hair to really just work the product in. And I really love this. Dove just came out with this collection, and it's actually really moisturizing, so. Then I go in with this Bio Silk Therapy. And this is just to make my hair look shiny. Overall, I just use a little bit on each side just for shine and to, you know, hold the frizz, and it works really well. Also, if you're gonna like straighten your hair, I would really suggest using this too, because after you straighten your hair, this like gives it that really nice finish. But I do use it on my curly hair as well. And then to end it, I just use this Batisse dry shampoo just to give myself some volume. I don't use a bunch of it, just a little bit in like the inside of my hair to kind of just give it some volume, because my hair is really heavy, so it tends to just kind of lay flat. I don't really get a lot of volume at the top. So I'm just working that in, and that is my curly hair routine on my wash day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video.